And remember guys, hit the like button, smash it please, smash the like button. I know you can do it, I believe in you. And also remember to click subscribe if you haven't already, and also hit the bell icon. Hey guys, it's Monday today, and you guessed it, I just came out from a stairs run. So in the video you're gonna watch now, Alp is gonna talk about card types in Anki, and he's gonna also show you a faster way to do that. So let Alp know that we appreciate him making the video. He's doing this on a volunteer basis. Thank you, Alp. Please join the Discord, show him some love. Let's watch
everyone. In this video we'll have a look at Anki card types and how you can create them using Notion to Anki. We'll start by creating them in Anki with the traditional method, and then we'll switch to Notion, and I'll show you how you can do the same using Notion to Anki. Let's start by adding our cards to this deck. We have our basic cards. They have a front and a back. Front. I'm just writing this so that we can identify these cards after the refinish. Front and back. We have basic and reverse cards. Front plus R for the reversed, and back plus R. And as a last thing, we have close cards. Close. Now we can have a look at our cards. This is the basic card, front and back. This is the reversed, basic and reversed card, but now we see the basic one. This is the closed card, and the back version of the basic and reversed card. So this is the second card we created using basic and reversed. Now let's switch to Notion. I have already prepared a page with this front with close. So we have an example for saying the close. Let's export this page as HTML. Now we go to Notion to Anki.net/upload. I have already prepared the page for different card types, but you can come here and change the card type here. This is the basic card. This is the basic deck, so we choose basic front and back, and we upload our Notion export. Click to download, and now we have our deck in Anki. Now we'll do the same for basic and reversed. Basic and reversed, as you can see in the card types, and we upload our Notion export again. Basic and reversed. We do the same. Oh, in Notion to Anki there's also another type called just the reverse. So you don't have the normal card in these decks, just have the reverse ones. So I'll show you that in a moment, and convert this deck and download it and import it into Anki. And as a last thing, this is close deletion. Close deletion is normally the standard card type in to Anki.net. It's the default one. If you don't change any settings on Notion to Anki.net, nothing will change and your close will be included. Again, we'll do the same. We upload the Notion export, click on convert, click to download, and import it into Anki. Now we have all our decks in Anki. Let's start with the basic. Just like we saw with the Anki one, the front and back, the single card with front and back. We also have our basic and reverse card, one card with front with close and back and front. This is just the same as the Anki's basic and reversed. We also have the just reversed option. This is exclusive to Notion to Anki. You don't have the front card, you don't have the basic card, you just have the reverse card, so back and front. And as a last thing, the close support in Notion to Anki. As you can see, we have our close removed now, and when we click on show answer, we see the back of the extra information. We see the back as extra information, and we see our answer, the close. Yeah, that's all. I think that's all about the Notion to Anki card types. It's really easy to change. Just come here to the card types and click on the selector and just pick one that you want to select. Yeah, thanks for watching.
Hey guys, I just, yeah, okay, vänta.